Hey guys, Mick here with Burns Car Sales, back with another short video for one of our SKODA approved used vehicles.
This is the all-new SKODA Scala commercial. It has all the comfort and style as you would expect from a non-commercial Scala, with the practicality of a commercial vehicle. This vehicle qualifies for the lower BIK benefit in kind for those of you who have a company car or van. It's a 1.6 litre TDI, 115 brake horsepower, with a 6-speed manual transmission. It features halogen headlights with LED daytime running lights and LED taillights with dynamic indicators. It has 16-inch Orion alloy wheels, glass tailgate including body-coloured spoiler and exterior mirrors. The back of the vehicle is very spacious and boasts blacked-out side windows and a flat-bottomed base for easy storage. It has a full-sized spare wheel tucked away beneath the floor for convenience and easy access. This Scala commercial has driver and passenger airbags. It has a leather multifunctional steering wheel, cruise control, lane assist, active steering and hill hold control. It has front assist, forward collision warning, emergency brake and pedestrian recognition. It has rear parking sensors and has the SKODA's eCall emergency call system. It has a 6.5 digital touchscreen display, the Swing infotainment system, 8 speakers, Bluetooth phone and audio streaming, and has Smartlink connectivity for Apple Carplay and Android Auto. The interior is finished in a black Ambition fabric upholstery.
That's just a brief review of some of the vehicle's features. For more information on it or any of our range in stock, please call in and see us here on the Old Dublin Road or give us a call on 071 916 1500. Until the next time, thanks for watching and safe driving.